to stop. And we're live. What up, what up, what up, NGB the gang? You already know what's going on. It's your boy NGB Jordan here, back with another live stream. As you can see, we are down a lot. I broke a lot of rules. I'm not proud of it. Valentine's Day weekend, you know, I kind of did the most, and my account kind of shows. It's very important to stick to, you know what I'm saying, stick to not only risk management, which I ignored, but also very important, you know, to continue and trade into your plan. And you know how it is. Sometimes you get up a lot, you get a little hubris, you know, you get a little excited and everything like that. And you start, you know, making mistakes. You start spiraling, making the same mistake over and over again. And that's where we're at. So we're just going to try and see what we can do. You know what I'm saying? We're still up 35%. We're still up over $100, which is great, especially for the month. If you're up 35% per month, that's absolute amazing gains, but it's really time to get back serious. It's time to get back to you know what I'm saying? Time to get back in form, people. Time to get back in form. Now you can see we're in a trade right now. Go on the 4 hours, show you what it's kind of looking like. We got the double bottom, really almost a triple, quadruple bottom now, if you have a look, and we're just kind of waiting to see what happens. But yeah, we're getting a little bit of rejection, but all in all, you know, we're just gonna have to kind of wait and see what happens. I'm definitely going to be setting a tight stop. I have not been using stop losses lately, and that's definitely one of the reasons why I've been struggling. But yeah, it's time to get back serious. I got to remember that this is not a play account. This is the account for YouTube, and you know what I'm saying, take it serious, and that's what I'm going to start doing. It also shows how quickly you can rise, but like also how quickly you can fall in the market too. So it's nice to just show you guys a little bit of clarity, and yeah, we'll just see what we can continue doing. And let's be real here, if I can get 35% every month, this account will be extremely fat by the time the year is up. But let's not think ahead of ourselves. Let's just take it day by day, and you know what I'm saying, have fun with it, but also take it serious. Was that a good intro?
Yeah. Hi, everybody.
Okay. We obviously got some support right above here. Can't believe we're already on episode 15 of the live trading. It's pretty crazy.
How was everybody's Valentine's Day? Mine was great.
Okay. There we go. Get a little light in here. Well, I look good with that light. Time to get back serious, people. Time to do what I do best. It's like, you know what I'm saying, I'm like an NBA player, you know what I'm saying? You be having your slumps, you be having your few weeks where your shooting percentage is off a little bit, but now it's time to get back serious. It's time to get back real and time to do what I do. And one thing I can say is I'm very happy that I like didn't like go so hard that I like started touching the 300 point. Like I'm at like a little bit above like 400, but it would have been very tough if I had been around the 300 area. That would have been like a spirit killer. But I mean, I really can't say anything because it's like That's like, what? I've made, what, 110 bucks or something? Making YouTube videos that I would make anyway. Can I really, like, how mad can I really be about it? Very mad. I'm just kidding. I'm not kidding. I'm half kidding, half not. You know, what is there? There's a little truth to every joke or something. I think that's the saying. But yeah, I just want to show you guys, like, this can definitely happen. You can definitely go into these types of slumps. It happens. A more disciplined trader definitely wouldn't have allowed his slump to go this long. Not only this long, but be this aggressive. But, you know, I'm still learning just like everyone else. And I almost kind of say that, but I actually made money in my in my other Forex account. But that's because I was focusing on swing trading. I don't really try to even think to go aggressive in that account. So I really almost need to just treat this account like my other one. But, you know, I wanted to get to $1,000 for you guys, all that good stuff. But, you know what I'm saying, that'll come, but that'll come with time, patience, and, you know what I'm saying, just good trading, good technical analysis. Really fundamental analysis has been, it's been a very, very big role in this last few days. Just basically, you know, news came out about pretty much, what was it? News came out about inflation. That brought the market down. Then I shorted. The market immediately shot up, which was kind of strange because the inflation data was bad. Then I tried to go long in it at that same time. So this is all in one day. And so I took both of those losses, and I think I took another one that same day. Woke up on Friday or something, just hopped in a trade, like no real, like, you know, no real thought behind it or anything like that. You know, and just like a combination of these things over time, and yeah, it'll really do some damage to your account if you're not using risk management. If I was using good risk management, I would probably only be down 100 to 150, maybe $180. But I made the situation a lot worse by, you know, not really abiding by at least a stop loss or a mental stop loss, and kind of, you know, playing that kind of game. But yeah, it is what it is. All I can really do is learn, and we can just improve from here. Like I wanted to show you guys before, I was like, the market is not all glitter and gold, especially when, you know, especially when humans are involved. Because humans, you know, we wake up, we feel some type of way one day, we, you know what I'm saying, feel a different way the next day. So part of being a good trader is really being able to make yourself as much into like a robot type of character as you can. And you know what I'm saying? That's something I just got to work on. I think I'm very effective in it, but I need to get effective as time progresses, or as the time frames get smaller. I kind of have obviously long-term trading that's kind of chill to me. At this point, swing trading, it's not 100% where I would want it to be, but I would say I'm like 85 to 90, maybe 87.5% of where I want to be. But with the whole day trading thing like that, I'm probably about 50 or so, maybe 55% of where I would want to be. I can do it, but every now and then, like, I'll have, you know what I'm saying, my little phases where I just, like, kind of, like, you know what I'm saying, do what I essentially did. But, yeah. Yep. But, yeah, any questions you guys have about any of, anything that's gone down or anything like that, just ask. I'm happy to talk about it. And, you know what I'm saying, just happy to try and go out here and get this money for you guys. Slick. She wants me, cause I got it all. Shawty, tell me what you don't see. All of y'all are beautiful. I just can't pick one. You can never say I'm choosing. And Wayne said, with a she done satisfied all of I forgot that song literally has just so many like curse words in it. Excuse me?
You choose me.
You need to stop. Be quiet.
Okay.
That's why I'm gonna turn the volume down on you.
No, Jay, I'm talking to the people.
Okay. Oh, shout out to everybody too. Like the channel's been getting, even though I've been gone, I took my little hiatus. It's over now. I'm back on track, but the channel's been really blowing up. It's been doing great. Actually, I really should feel blessed because in the time that I decide to take a hiatus, you know, YouTube decides to push my channel out a lot. So, you know, that's just very helpful, you know. Being gone for 4, 5, 6 days or something on YouTube is kind of like the equivalent of an NBA player being gone for an entire month. So, you know, I am very appreciative that, you know what I'm saying, that a lot of views are really rolling into the channel. So shout out to all y'all who watch those videos, you know what I'm saying, that kind of thing. I know you guys are the people that love just seeing people lose money. But it's funny because the lives are the opposite. I have more people in the lives when I'm making money, but my channel gets more views when I'm talking about people losing money. It's kind of ironic. It's a little ironic. She wants me, she wants me. 'Cause I got it all, shawty, tell me what you don't see. With all of y'all are beautiful. Hope y'all all had a great Valentine's Day, you know what I'm saying? Keep it wrapped up, you know what I'm saying? You can't be having all these. I think I saw on Instagram, I think if you're conceived around now, you would be a Sagittarius, I think, or a Scorpio. I don't remember. It was one of them. It started with an S. You guys are probably more on that. I'm a market dude, and I don't believe people on the market traditionally aren't very spiritual. It literally goes against like everything that we believe in pure logic. so I know anybody who tunes into this probably is like, okay. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Y'all out here creating a whole bunch of Scorpios and it's probably spending a whole bunch of unnecessary money that needs to go into index funds.
Scorpio.
Yeah. I don't know if it's Scorpios or Sagittariuses. I don't know, something like that. She wants me, she wants me. Oh, what's up, man? Hey, my newest subscriber. Shout out to Mechanical Vertex, my boy. Shout out to you. Thanks for the subscribe. You already know I appreciate it. I don't know if you've seen any of these lives or anything. Probably not, because you just found out who I was, like, probably a few minutes ago. But yeah, we're doing this challenge, you know, $300 to 30K. I ran the money up. I doubled it. I got into the 700s, almost the 800s. Actually, I might have been in the 800s at some point and then had a bad few days. Didn't focus on, you know what I'm saying, my trading rules or anything like that. So right now we're just up 35%. Oh, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. I try my best. I try my best. Really like what this channel is about, you know, is about kind of showing, you know what I'm saying. I wouldn't really say the dark side of trading on the market, but more so just the reality of trading on the market. That's kind of what I'm trying to do. I'm not really trying to make it seem like glitter and gold. Like, yeah, like my other accounts do make like a decent bit. Nothing crazy or anything. I definitely can't be out here, you know what I'm saying, splurging or anything like that. But you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to let people know that the market can be a beautiful thing to change your life, but it can also, you know what I'm saying? If you don't have your head right, you're not on your A game, then boom, boom, boom. Next thing you know, you losing money. And that's why my account has about $400 in it right now, because I was tweaking. I was absolutely tweaking. And now I'm back. And now we're back. New video probably tomorrow morning. We're about to start going hard again. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, man. I appreciate it. For real, for real, for real. She wants me, 'cause I got it all. Shawty, tell me what you don't see. You like that song, Dre?
Yeah.
I bet you do like that song. Like, what was that song that I got detention for that one time? We, like a cop car. Okay, we got a nice little push up. Nice little push up. On the I'm about to come back. Looking forward to a new video. Oh, yeah. Yeah, appreciate it, bro. Yeah, this week, I'm definitely going to be coming out with a bunch of just stuff that's talking about the market in general, what's going on, you know, because these are crazy times. Really, the biggest thing right now that's going on is obviously this like USA Russia stuff. We're pulling out our troops. That's affecting the market a ton. Oh, wait, hold on. I'm about to die in the game. I'm over here tweaking. Ugh. But yeah, there's that going on. And you know, I'm gonna look and see if we can find any more like day trading loss videos too. That kind of thing, you know, I like those kind of videos. Really, my favorite ones are the informative videos, those kind of things. I'm actually not too much of a fan of the, you know what I'm saying, loss videos. Like, I mean, it's cool seeing people lose money. It's kind of funny, you know what I'm saying? But it's not really like my thing. YouTube loves it though. YouTube loves it though. But I really enjoy talking about like what's actually going on. You know, for the people who are really out here trying to trade. Like, nobody who's out here trying to trade is really caring too much about like people losing money, unless you're like a Wall Street bets, like kind of like, you know, that kind of thing. Like, what is it? What is it? Call options in GME, GameStop. Risk it all. Risk 80% of the portfolio in GameStop call options. Hey, we're all about GameStop call options in this channel. If you didn't know, my guy, like we live for it. We live for those GameStop call options. If you don't know, I'm completely being sarcastic. Straight sarcasm, bro. There's nothing scarier to me on earth than a GameStop call option. All right, so we really want to see this break its this resistance here. That would be good. Oh yeah, bro. Courses are just dumb, bro. I can definitely help you out. Any questions that you have about the market, I can definitely help you out. Really, pretty much anything. I've been trading for 5 years. I know this game. I know this game very well at this point, and I'm very confident in my game. Yeah. And just like how I lost some money starting on Thursday, you know what I'm saying? There's like, I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. Like, it's not all golden Lamborghinis and all of that stuff. But there is a lot of money to be made in the market, you know what I'm saying? Like that kind of stuff. He said Wall Street bets is wild. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? GameStop call options. Now we're all going for the what are we going for now? What, them S&P 500 shorts or something? Oh, I'll also look at pairs and stuff. So if there's anything you want to look at, you see, I took a lot of stuff off my timeline before, but see, we got Robinhood in here, S&P 500, Bitcoin. You know, we're always looking at Bitcoin. Wow, Bitcoin's at 44K. Wow. Bitcoin might have bounced. I'm trying to buy Bitcoin. I'm trying to get some Bitcoin, but I want to get Bitcoin in between 20 and 30K. Maybe like 30K, 32 at best, like Kevin Samuel said. But I don't really want to buy Bitcoin at $44. I'm not lying. What's the difference between SMA and EMA and MA? Well, you know, the only indicator that I use is a EMA line. The SMA is, correct me if I'm wrong, I feel like I used to use a SMA line. The SMA is that where there's like 3 lines? Let's see. Smooth moving average. Oh, okay. Well, I'm not sure about SMA or MA. The main indicators that I use are, well, okay, I don't really use a lot of indicators. I actually really hate them, and I think they're bad for trading. And I don't think you should use a lot. If you use indicators, use at least one. But the only indicators I really play with are, and I don't even really play with them that much, is, you can see here I have the 200-day EMA, the RSI, the MACD, and that's pretty much it. I feel like Fibonacci, if you've heard of Fibonacci, I feel like that can be very helpful. But for me, indicators really just make everything more confusing. Like really, basically to me, the stock market is kind of like just understanding and being able to see what is an uptrend, what is a downtrend, triangle patterns, any type of patterns that you can find, that kind of thing. And then, what I'm saying, being able to trade off of those. And traditionally, indicators they're kind of behind. Following an indicator, in my opinion, is kind of like watching stock market news. It's kind of like by the time you hear the news on TV, it's already too late for you to capitalize it. Like, when Bitcoin was at like, what I'm saying, 20K and then it went to like 30K and the news was like, oh my God, Bitcoin is at 30, 40K. You know what I'm saying? By that time, it was pretty much too late for you to hop into Bitcoin or you would be buying at the high. So I don't really know SMA. I don't really know SMA or MA, but basically, the moving averages are just pretty much a algorithm that draws a line to help you kind of dictate what's going on. Like as you can see with the daily, let's say you were back here, obviously it would bounce off of this line, and as long as it was pretty much, as long as the stock was pretty much under the 200-day EMA line, then you were pretty much good to go, and you could pretty much keep going short. You could let it bounce up. Let's say it bounces up. You go short here. Boom, you made money. It goes up. You go short here. Boom, you made money. It goes up. Boom, you made money. That kind of thing. The market's very choppy right now, by the way. But I feel like we're going to have a really good idea of what's going on, like, throughout the next year in the market. Well, I'm up 20 bucks right now. What is this chart looking like? I needed to break this resistance. But yeah, I feel like we're just in kind of like a little like sitting phase, but the market is really going to start showing us like if it's trying to just continue up, start making new highs like S&P 500, NASDAQ real soon. Oh, thanks, man. Yeah, but I would say definitely don't become, I would say if you're new to trading, don't become very reliant on indicators or anything like that. Do I trade futures? I don't really trade futures too much anymore. I mostly just trade Forex pairs. I'll kind of like, what I'm saying, I'll obviously take trades and, mostly like S&P 500 stocks for just long-term gains. And then my really, really long-term, like old man back hurting retirement account kind of stuff. Those are mostly like index funds, which I've been building up a lot. Mostly, I've just got kind of started in those like, not this year, I guess now, but you know what I'm saying, for a little bit. But I'm kind of waiting for the market to see if it wants to drop down or if it wants to continue before I really start aggressively buying. So I kind of just have a big pool of money just kind of waiting for that opportunity. But no, I don't trade futures, but I do have, I have experience trading futures, options, ETFs. Obviously Forex is what I kind of trade the most now, and then obviously blue chip stocks. And when I first started, I used to trade penny stocks, but I learned very quickly trading penny stocks is a great way to lose money, and we are not about losing money over here at NGB the gang. You feel me? But yeah, I don't really trade futures or anything like that too much. Futures are cool though. I do like the volatility to a degree. I'm a person that I like a good bit of volatility, but nothing like too crazy, which is kind of why the market kind of chopped me up last week, because it was a little bit more volatile than you would assume from like a Euro USD or a NZD USD, USD CAD, AUD USD, like I trade all the time. But yeah. Yep. Am I an intraday trader? I'm not an intraday trader at all. I'm really a swing trader. For this account, since it's for the people, and I'm kind of been trying to, grow it very fast. I have been doing some intraday trading, but that doesn't normally work out well for me. My successful account that I have is a large Forex account, and that's pretty much swing trades. My average hold time, I would say, is in between 1 to 2.5 weeks. I would say probably in between 5 days to maybe 12 days. I actually do in my my other account. Which do I think is better, scalping, swing, or 0 minute trading? Yeah, I think it's funny that you called it like 0 minute trading. Like, wow, we're not even using the. Oh, wait, hold on. This game that I'm playing. Wait, we're not even using the 1 minute chart, which I'm extremely afraid of the 1 minute chart. The most I'll touch is obviously like the 5 minute chart, like we're on right now. But I recommend, in my opinion, not that I recommend it. It really depends on. It depends on the way you are emotionally. But for me, emotionally, the best thing is kind of like, it's kind of like either scalping or like swing trading. Really, like swing trading is what works out best for me. So I may hold something for a month if I really, really like the opportunity. But traditionally, I'll probably hold on to a trade for about a week, maybe a little bit more than that. Yep. 10 minutes. I never use the 10-minute time frame. Honestly, the only time frames I look at, well, okay, I look at the 5. I mean, it doesn't really matter at that point. It's just low time frames, so it doesn't really make a difference. But I personally use the 5, the 15, you know, the 30, the hour, the 4 hour, and then the daily. And the weekly is pretty much irrelevant. But yeah, 10-minute trading. Got you. By 10-minute trading, you mean like, do you mean like you place a trade and you're out in 10 minutes, or do you mean like using 10-minute like time frames, like every candlestick is 10 minutes, you know what I'm saying, 10 minutes in time? Cuz there is a difference. There is a difference. But shout out to everybody that tuned in. I appreciate it. Sorry I've been gone for so long, you know what I'm saying? Had to get my Valentine's Day in, had to get me a little weekend, but we gonna be back making videos and everything. All the day trading losses videos have been doing real great, so I definitely appreciate that. And you know what I'm saying, we just gonna be, you know what I'm saying, the chat room for dudes to come and talk about the market. If you lose money, that's fine. Nobody's gonna sit out here and flex. Like you already know, I lost some money, a good bit of money last week. And I'm just telling you guys about it. And any questions, y'all can roast me if y'all want to, because trust me, I done already roasted myself. You know what I'm saying? I didn't stick to my plan. I didn't do anything like that. And what happened to me was completely deserved. You feel me? What's the best strategy for a complete beginner? Hold long on ETF or intraday trading? Well, if you're new at trading, you shouldn't really be thinking about intraday trading, honestly. If you're new at trading intraday, think about it like this. The lower the time frame, the harder mode you're playing in. It's a lot easier to, you know what I'm saying, trade off of like the 1 day or something like that than it is to trade off of like the 5 minute, because there's so much volatility. Like the time you enter and exit a train. Okay. Not a. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. So I'll hold on to stuff we're normally about. In this account, because it's for YouTube, I may hold on to something for like 2 days, 3 days, even 1 day. But traditionally, yeah, in my other accounts, it'll pretty much be about a week to at max a few weeks, 1 to 3 weeks, you know, something like that. Like I said, like 5 to 12 days is probably like what my average would be. Well, I mean, it's okay. Yep. Well, I hope you guys have all been having a great day today. If you guys have been trading anything, or you want me to pull up any charts, let me know. You know what I'm saying? We can definitely do that. If you got anything you've been looking at, you know what I'm saying? You've been looking at what is it called? What is it? That gambling company. What is it called? DraftKings, you know what I'm saying? You've been putting in those DraftKings long options, call options, you know? You know, just let me know. We can definitely go and look at the chart. I'm actually going to peep a few things after I finish this little game in RuneScape that I'm doing. Do I look at the company balance sheet first, like PE, EAPS, and then look at the chart with the EMA? No, not at all. Traditionally, the companies that I trade, I really don't look at balance sheets at all. The only thing I need to know is it a successful company? Does it have good numbers? And that's if you're talking about my long-term trading. I only think about that. I traded Wing 2022. Is the symbol. Let me see if I can. I'll see if I can search that up. Search up that ticker symbol. But so I really like your Phil's videos. Hey, shout out Louise. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Jansen. Shout out Mechanical. Hey, thanks, bro. Like people, like I was saying, bro. People really be liking the day trading fails videos, bro. I'm gonna make more, but I'm telling you, I'm all about the. You know what I'm saying? I'm all about the stock market news. You know what I'm saying? Teaching what I can, but hey, it is. You know what I'm saying? It's a little. You know, we all got that side of us that's like. Did he just lose 30K in like 3 seconds? Ooh. You know what I'm saying? So I got a couple of those in the vault. You know what I'm saying? So those are going to definitely be coming out. But what was I? And from Brazil, hey, shout out to y'all steakhouses. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get some Brazilian, you know what I'm saying? Y'all be having that good carne. You know what I'm saying? But let me see what I was looking at. But then look at the charts with the EMA. No, I'm an extremely technical trader, so I will literally take trades strictly off of the technicals. But I do understand the fundamentals behind it. I'll kind of do something like this. I'll probably peep the I'll kind of peep the SMA. I mean, not the SMA. I'll kind of peep the S&P 500. I'll kind of see kind of what's going on with that, what's going on with NASDAQ. And then I'll kind of go into the chart and then I'll start drawing lines. I'll kind of show you guys. Give me 2 seconds. This game's about to be over. Trade Wing 22. Wing 22. That sounds like I'm from Atlanta, if you guys didn't know, but that sounds like a good like wing spot that we would have or something. Like, hey, who's trying to go get some Wing 22? And hey, we have a place Burger 21. So like that kind of reminds me of that. But let's see here. So I would do something like this. All right, so we're talking AUD USD. AUD USD has been moving with S&P 500. So then I would look at S&P 500. Sorry, I'm talking so fast. It's, you know, I'm not on coke or anything. I just kind of seem like a cokehead because when I'm interested in something, I tend to talk very fast because I guess my mind just has a lot of information going at once. But anyways, I would look at something like the S&P 500, right? And then I would say, okay, overall, it's an uptrend. I'd look at it closer. And I'd say for me right now, this is a general downtrend. So I would be more likely to go, you know what I'm saying, short than long. But, you know, this is just kind of like a general idea. But you would look at something like this. Okay, I'm looking at it. And you see how close to this chart that this is to AUD. They actually look relatively similar. So then I would go in here and I would say, okay, let's see what kind of patterns I can find. It's like the contract code. Yeah. It's like then I would look and I would say, okay, what kind of, you know, what's the word? This is me thinking of the word. Trends. I guess trends isn't the word I was looking for, but that can work. So if you know anything about trading, you know that there are things called double bottoms and double tops. I would call this a double bottom. You could almost call it a quadruple bottom because one, the market came down, it couldn't break it. The market came down, it couldn't break it. The market came down, it couldn't break it. Came down, couldn't break it. So that's one idea for us to have along. It's also a support. If you guys know about supports and resistances, this would also be considered a support. So it's a bounce off of that support. Now, I would want to look a little bit deeper into it because I'm doing more short-term trading on this account. Not necessarily swing trading, but, you know, and not necessarily day trading. Like, I normally hold these positions for maybe like a few days. If I get a nice pop-up or something, then, you know what I'm saying, I may go in for one day. So then I look and I see whatever kind of, you know, trends I can find. So maybe for this, let's say you want to go short. Your validation for going short would be, okay, it tried to pop up here, couldn't break it. Tried to pop up here, couldn't break it. Tried to pop up here, couldn't break it. And so what could I expect? When it tries to pop up and it reaches this general area, it'll probably see some type of resistance and then it'll possibly go down. I'm hoping it can reach this general area, but you know what I'm saying, it may not do it. And if it can't, then I'm gonna, you know, have a stop loss relatively tight around here should that not happen. Let me check on that pair for you. Let's check on that pair. All right, so we're gonna try Wing 22. That sounds bussin'. Yeah, so Wing 22, I'm not getting anything. Maybe V. Yep, I think I found it. Yep, that looks like it. This looks like a. Let's see what we're. Wow, so I'm already thinking long. This is a resistance. If it breaks this zone, it should be trying to make new highs. Wow. What the heck? 112K? What is this? Like, what is this guy? Yeah, this is definitely I wouldn't say okay, so our inflation isn't like anything compared to what you guys deal with in like what, South America. You know, it's nothing like that. So I don't want you to think it's anything where we're like panicking. I know the news kind of makes it sound like that. We're not panicking. But yes, this is very, very, very bad inflation for us. It's not so crazy. Let's say my groceries used to be $100. Now they may be like 150, which is very, very bad. Very, very high inflation. But it's nothing compared to some of those South American countries or something that, you know what I'm saying, that you would be used to. Bro, I'm not that funny, you know what I'm saying? I just be chilling, living my best life. You feel me? We back, chat. We back. We back streaming. It's been a minute. It's been a minute. In INTC, let's see. INTC? What's that? But yeah, that's a very strange price for something. INTC. Intel? Oh, I was thinking that might have been Intel. Slick. Alright. Did I really not grab it? Let's see. What you doing, girl?
About to bust a game of League.
Okay. Intel has that is a lot of gaps. If you guys don't know, the market traditionally tries to hit like, you know what I'm saying, like a gap follow. Oh, what's my Insta? I still got two Instas. My Insta for this is like NGB Jordan Bowens, but my actual Insta, I don't really be posting, bruh. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, think about it like this. I don't be posting so much that I gotta go look at what my Instas are. You know what I'm saying? I got a bunch of Instas. But what is this Insta, honestly, bro? It's like J Bowens 5 or something like that. What is it? Yep, J Bowens _5 is one of my Instas. But yeah, bro, go hit me with a follow, bro. You know I'll follow you back. What's up, Andrea? You already know. I already see you, girl. But let's talk about this Intel though. So actually I've been on Intel. You can see this line was already drawn here, so I've definitely been looking at that. Honestly, I'm seeing a good buy opportunity. 11% more or less. Oh god, that's terrible. I'm sorry. That is tough. But y'all got the premium beef though. But yeah, you can see, like, let's think supports and resistances. This would be resistance. This would be support zones. You can also play in zones. And I honestly prefer zones, but lines are just easier to draw. But the zone would look something like this. So that means, what are we doing? We're getting very close to a zone where the market has moved down and bounced up out of that. You feel me? Like, came down, bounced out of it, came down, bounced out of it, came down, bounced out of it, did it again there. So what should we expect should it do it again? It comes down, hopefully bounces out of it. So I would say anywhere in this type of zone, I would, you know, once it starts showing that it's holding that support, not just like, oh, okay, it's in that zone, I'm going to buy now, but more of like a, okay, it's in that zone. Once it starts to pop up, you know what I'm saying, then I may choose to buy. That's what I would think with Intel. So just from a technical standpoint, I do like buys of Intel. Like Jim Cramer, buy, 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 buy. I do like the, sorry y'all, that was probably all in the mic. But I do kind of like the longs of Intel. I like that idea. I would say that. Plus, like, I mean, overall, it's still an uptrend. It's been in an uptrend for a while. Plus, Intel makes semiconductors. They make chips. And as you guys know, all of the chips, like, nobody's been able to get, like, chips nowadays. If you guys know what I mean by chips. I do not mean Lay's. I'm talking, like, semiconductors. The chips that go in your phones. The chips that go into your Teslas. The chips that go into your laptops. You know, all that good stuff. And we all know there's been a shortage of that. But what I'm thinking is that when the chips are back up and running, these companies are going to get a big influx of money because everyone's been needing chips for so long. Like, even your PlayStations, your Xboxes, they've all been held back simply because of chips. So, I'm thinking a lot of revenue is really going to be coming the semiconductors way once, you know what I'm saying, once they make that move. Once they make that move, you feel me? You know, I gotta go get this charger.
Oh no.
I'm hoping this can break this resistance, guys. Do I think it's gonna happen? I don't know. It's kind of solidified itself as a resistance for a minute now, but I kind of like it. Said I'll keep it on my watch list. Yeah, I would keep it on your watch list. There's a few things that I'm trying to buy into. I'm definitely trying to buy into Peloton at some point. Because I feel like Peloton is going to get bought out by one of the big companies. Like, I feel like Peloton, this is just a whim here. You know what I'm saying? This is just a whim. And they also said that it might happen in the news. I literally did an entire video on it. But, Peloton probably, one, it's on dumb discount. Where's Peloton? I know I got it in here. Did I get rid of my Peloton? Is this Peloton? No, it's not. Okay. Let me find Peloton real quick for y'all. Peloton. But yeah, Peloton got completely like pooped on. Like it got completely like trashed on, deuced on. And you know what I'm saying? Those are the stocks you want to buy. Like we want to buy them for the lows. But that's why I like Peloton. They're gonna get bought up by like Apple, Amazon, and somebody else is looking at it. Do you consider analyzing figures to like triangles, flags, rectangles, blah, blah, blah? Absolutely. Like I said, I'm an extremely technical trader, so the only things that I think about are those types of patterns. Ascending triangles, descending triangles, just traditional triangle patterns where, you know what I'm saying, the market bounces in the triangle and then it either breaks to the upside, to the downside. Obviously, uptrends, which is higher highs and higher lows, downtrends, which are the opposite of that. Yeah, head and shoulders. I look at all of those. My boy Jansen. Peace, bro. Jansen. Hey, you already know what's up, my guy. You already know what's up, my guy. Hey, and you know, LA's going crazy right now. They just won the what is it? Bro, my mind be going blank. Like I just looking at like but what is it? The NFL championship. You know they going crazy. You know they going crazy. I don't know when the parade is, but shoot. Catch me there. Catch me there in the crowd like yeah. 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 Oh, I gotta get this phone charger. Girl, you about to disappear. I made it disappear like magic. Sound like some rich the kid. What y'all think about to happen with this trade though, for real? We got mini support right here. And then we got resistance right here. Honestly, this is a triangular pattern that traditionally ends up in a break to the upside. So yeah, I definitely trade patterns. Yep. Honestly, a lot of the reason why I'm looking at this right now is I see this downwards trending pattern, so I'm kind of expecting to try and like come up and contest this zone to really see if it wants to hold that pattern or not. But honestly, like I've said, like since Thursday, I've just been making dumb trades. Like it's been absolutely terrible. Like absolutely terrible. But now we're back. We're back streaming again. We're back making videos again. And you know what I'm saying? We just getting it back together. Kind of had to take a little time to cool down. What up, boy? What up, boy? Oh, shoot. Let me go get this charger, though. What up, boy? boy. Oh, Charger. Dude. Y'all know what's been in my head? That song. Go easy on me, baby. I was still a child. Can the market go up right now? I just did the technical analysis. Let me stop. Let me stop. I'm trying to get a record deal on YouTube. Quit playing. Like, shoot, because I'm telling y'all, the stock market is not fun. The stock market is dumb boring. Like, bruh, my retirement account is dumb boring. My Forex account is dumb boring. Like, the only thing interesting is honestly this account, and that's because I do, like, dumb stuff in it. And I don't mean to do that. We're going to get this account to 30K in due time, but sheesh. All right, Luis, man, I wish you the best, my boy from Brazil. Your English is outstanding. You know what I'm saying? I'm assuming you can speak Spanish too. Or what do they speak? They speak like Spanish and like Portuguese in Brazil, right? What is it? Portuguese?
Yeah.
But yeah, see you, my man. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. For real. For real. That's real love. Go easy on me, baby. It feels good to be back on YouTube. Like, I do really like miss you guys, for real. Like, I miss the chat, you know what I'm saying? I miss all of that. And we got a whole bunch of new people in here today. Portuguese. Yep, Portuguese. Yep. Sorry, man. I need to do some traveling, man. I'm not as cultured as I would like to be. But I can definitely admit when I'm wrong. All right, bye, dude. Peace to you. Have a good time out there. Oh, man. I'm at a Brazilian beach right now. GSB! Hey, what up, Greg? Bro, y'all know Greg was like one of my best friends in like, what? Greg, we go way back to like elementary school. Greg is my boy. How have you been, Greg? And thanks, Greg. I know you always be tuning into the channel every now and then, bro. You know, I appreciate that. I hope you've been good, bro. I haven't seen you. Like, man, you probably got a beard now or something. Like, like pretty crazy. Let me know if you're still in like Gwinnett too. You know, I live in like Marietta or anything. So, you know, if you're Greg, if you're ever around like Marietta or something, like hit me up, man. You know what I'm saying? I'd love to see you. You know what I'm saying? Love to see my boy. Oh, man, it's been so long. I hope your brother's doing well, too, bro. Greg. Oh, okay. That's what's up. Greg. That's what's up. Shout out to you. Yeah, same for me, man. I just be working. I be on these markets, making these YouTube videos. And, yeah, just chilling. Trying to live my best life, you know what I'm saying? Trying to just go and get it every day, you feel me? Wake up and get this bread, you feel me? Yep. Just trying to make this YouTube channel like I'm trying to be the Spider-Man, the Superman of the stock market. We got people over here talking about you gonna get 1,000% returns, 300% returns easy. I'm out here to, you know what I'm saying, just you know what I'm saying, just show what it's like to be an actual profitable trader on the market. And you know what I'm saying, so people can have an idea of what it's actually like. And what a real trader is really like. Like, if you really think like most traders are in LA with Lambos and all of this, then I mean, you know what I'm saying, you're not ignorant, because that's all that's on YouTube. It's all, you know what I'm saying, it's all you have to see. But yeah, shout out my man Greg. He's a goat. An absolute GOAT. cannons. Dang, girl, I can hear you clicking. Are you going hard on that league, huh?
I am. I'm gonna win.
Okay, you about to get that win? What's the score?
5-1.
5-1? Okay. Okay. Should I do it? I have that tall boy. Oh wait, is it not in the fridge? Oh no, it is. Should I drink it?
Yeah.
I'm kind of scared of alcohol now. Like, I'm kind of scared. Like, not even like the stomach repercussions or anything like that. Just from a productivity standpoint. Like, sheesh. Like, you think you having fun one day, it'd be like a whole, like, sprout. You wake up in the morning just useless. Like, bro, like, I don't even be like, I'm not even like, bro. That's very discouraging. Very discouraging. But I'm gonna go grab one. Savage mode. Let me go grab one. I'll be right back, guys. Hey, Drea,
Yeah.
guess who's on my TV screen right now?
Who? Mikey Chun?
No. Big Ed.
What the fuck?
Remember Big Ed?
Yeah. That's the homie.
Big Ed is definitely the homie. He's kind of a goat. He's very creepy though, you know? Like, this dude's going over the episode where it's like Big Ed and this girl that really doesn't like him and everything. And then like the hotel only has one bed, but they were supposed to have two beds, you know, quote unquote. But I feel like that was really the producers just kind of like, how can we make this a little bit more interesting for them? You know what we can do? Let's just make it one bed. Hey, happy Valentine's Day to Big Ed, huh? I hope you guys all had a great Valentine's Day, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I hope you wore your sweater. Wear your sweater. It's Valentine's Day, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, don't just wing it. You feel me? Don't just wing it. You know what I'm saying? Life is like the stock market, or as I like to say it, the stock market is like life. You know what I'm saying? You have to be very selective and very intentional in everything you do, and you also have to very much manage risk. It's also not a, you know what I'm saying? It's not a slow game to be played. It is definitely a marathon, people. Just like life. Think about the stock market like life, and you know what I'm saying? You'll be all right. One little night or one bad trade or a bad mindset for a few days can really like how I lost some money last week can really set you back, you know what I'm saying? That kind of thing. Just like in life, you know what I'm saying? You have a few too many drinks, you don't want to hit the Uber cuz you're just being dumb, you know what I'm saying? Next thing you know, you're in a jail cell and you done ruined your life or something. It's not okay, people. It's not okay. Yeah, but let me know if you guys are trading any pairs, how you guys are feeling about the current state of the market. Do you think this kind of like correction that we've been in is over? Do you think we're gonna, be heading down? Do you think we're gonna be going long, heading up as an overall in the market? You know what I'm saying? Just let me know. I want to see where you guys' heads are at. I honestly have no idea what the market is going to do, but I don't think the correction is necessarily over, especially with all this. Yes, it got a little bit better today, but this like Russia US tension, like, I don't know. I just feel like if Russia decides to do something crazy, the stock market as a whole is probably going to kind of feel some of that brute force and, you know what I'm saying, be affected by that. Though economies do relatively well during war times, you know what I'm saying? I'm sure the United States has a bunch of tanks waiting around that we could just be selling to people that we've just been waiting like, who's gonna start beefing? You know what I'm saying? Like, should we sell these to Kanye? Like, I could see like Kanye pulling up outside of like Pete Davidson's house with like a few tanks or something. He's got the money. He's definitely got the money to afford a few tanks. And we know we know he crazy. I feel him though. He's a black man fighting for his, you know what I'm saying, fighting for his family. I can't hate on it. You know what I'm saying? But he is crazy. He's insane. He's insane. But, you know what I'm saying? You got to be a little crazy to put in, you know what I'm saying, to be Kanye. You know what I'm saying? If he wasn't a little crazy, his music probably wouldn't be what it was. And, you know, he wouldn't be the icon that we know him as today. You know what I'm saying? Mental health can definitely be a tough thing, a bad thing, a hard thing to deal with. But there's certain circumstances where, you know, mental, you know what I'm saying, having a mental, you know what I'm saying, I wouldn't even call it a disability at that point, but you know what I'm saying, having a mental thing could, you know, also kind of be an asset. If you get what I'm saying, if you get what I'm saying. Kind of like if somebody, let's say somebody's OCD, obviously that's a terrible thing, and like it makes people's lives a lot harder if you're OCD. You don't want to leave the house because you feel you might have left the stove on over and over again or something like that. But let's just say the goal is having a clean house. Then you might be the cleanest person to ever clean a house. You feel me? You feel me? I'm about to hit this brew, Drea. I'm about to see what I can do. I'm about to make it do what it do, like they say in the Boondocks.
Do what it do.
Bro, you ain't gotta retract any messages, man. You can, if you mistype, you know what I'm saying? Nobody here cares. Nobody minds. You know what I'm saying? You said what?
This is a safe environment.
Exactly. This is the safest environment. You know what I'm saying? It's a safe place. If you lost 20 thou on the market, you know, you can come in here. We're not gonna make fun of you. If we do, we're gonna do it like, you know what I'm saying, kind of like a friend would, you know? You know how friends just be roasting the absolute crap out of each other, just absolute slaughtering you, but you know it's all in good fun. You know it's all in love. And that's why I'm saying, like, y'all are very welcome to roast me for the amount of money that I lost last week. But hey, we're still up 35% in this account. Could be a lot more, though. Oh, my God. It could be so much more. But I'm not going to beat myself up about it. I just got to get my head back right. Take those few days with a grain of salt. And, you know, it is what it is. We're having a little bit of a breakdown here. It kind of broke that little mini trend that it was on. So we'll just see what happens. I mean, this could be just a proven support. Which wouldn't be too bad. Nothing too crazy. Oh. Whoa. Wowzers. Do 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 do. Yeah, but I'm excited to get back to it. Excited to start making some more videos for you guys. A lot of people really been liking the day trading videos, so I'm going to be coming out with those. But don't get me wrong, we're definitely going to be talking about the markets in a serious way. We're definitely going to be talking about news, what's going on in the world with the markets, all of that good stuff. So I'm really excited after my hiatus. Is that the right way to use the word? Let me look at it. Hiatus. A pause or gap in sequence, series, or process. Absolutely. So that word was used correctly. Perfect, perfect, perfect. You said what? Hmm? Phil? Oh, yeah, my boy Phil. Actually, it's all new people in the chat today. So shout out all the new people. Shout out to, you know what I'm saying, people whose first time it is being in the stream. Really, none of my old guys are in here. They're probably like, man, did he stop streaming? But no, I'm back. And we'll probably start seeing them, you know, as the week progresses, you know what I'm saying? Or as the weeks progress. We'll probably see them pop back in here and everything. That would be great to see some of my old guys. But it's also great to see so many new faces in here as well, too. I can't lie. It's cool because it lets me know that the stream will be pretty lit, you know, every day. We'll at least have a few people in here, we can just talk about the market, chilling, you know what I'm saying, really have a good time. So I'm loving it. McDonald's. Let me go and get me what is it? What do they got now? They probably got like a burger and some nuggets and some fries for like 5. You feel me? All right, we've seen a little green. We're gonna want to see if this is closes as a green candlestick. Oh no, that thing got smashed. I'm expecting a little bit of a downwards move, honestly. I'll probably just cut profits somewhere around break. Oh, break even's all the way down here, so I'll probably cut profits around break even. Should you know, should it get out of hand? That kind of thing. Oh, shout out to everybody throwing the likes in the video too. You know, that's what pushes it out to more people and everything, and just lets us have more people up in here. So shout out to everybody throwing the likes. I appreciate it. You feel me? Ooh. Oh, you like that song, girl?
Yeah,
You like that song, girl?
I love it.
Cause you already know my hidden agenda is really I'm trying to use YouTube to get a record deal. I'm just playing. But y'all know, if y'all been in the streams, y'all know I do a lot of singing. It's because I do want, you know what I'm saying? I need like, nah, P. Diddy, I feel like behind the scenes, he's probably kind of like, takes advantage. You know, I'm trying to get signed to Snoop. I'm trying to get signed to the new Death Row. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, Jay Bowen's on Death Row Records. You already know I be having the bust down. I be having the Diamond Girls. I like, yeah, Death Row Records. Y'all know that would be fresh. Y'all know that would be fresh if I was signed to Death Row. Oh man, that would be crazy. Bro, Snoop, let me get like a day contract just so I can say I did it. And you already know I'm trying to get signed to either Death Row or OTF. I actually never looked to see if Lil Durk even saw my message. Because we know Lil Durk did not see my message. He probably doesn't even run that Instagram account. How we looking? This thing is kind of trying to push down. Plus, with all this consolidation here at the top, excuse me, I'm definitely feeling more so like it's definitely like a solidified resistance. But if it can just break a little bit above this, that pop to the top is gonna be insane. I just like that we have a little bit of room till break even, so you know, even if it doesn't make that move, I can still kind of close for like at least a little bit of profit. Which is what I would do, you know, when I was being a smart trader. But, you know, last Thursday, I all of a sudden decided to, like, completely say, like, forget the account and just do dumb stuff, which was so dumb. And, you know, I've learned. I'm learning. Really, this is more of like a kind of, not a day trading account, but it's closer to it. So it's taking me some time to adjust to the just the raw speed of, like, the trades and everything. But you know, it's this kind of stuff that makes you a better trader. Plus 35%, like, that's pretty nice. Let's throw that in a compounding calculator. It's finally reached about a month. So let's see. I think this one's the one that's easy to use. Yeah, it is. So we're using $300. Our percent per month will be 35%. After 12 months, we will have $10,000, almost $11,000. So I can't really be mad. If I do exactly what I'm doing right now throughout the rest of the year, I'll have $10,000. So I really can't be mad at that. But yeah, we just gotta do better every day and just focus harder, honestly. A lot easier said than done. But yeah, we'll see. Oh, this game this dude is playing looks kind of fly. I can't lie. He's like dirt biking, kind of, or something. I've never seen a game where people like dirt bike. Like, it's always either like, you know what I'm saying, you're driving like a fast car. I don't really even see any motorcycle games, honestly. But to see somebody on a dirt bike, you know what I'm saying? That's a little strange. Dre, you got any good shows we can watch later or something?
We need to find a show.
We do. We really do.
Dark Desire is hard to follow.
It is. Like, so it's not us, it's the show.
Yeah, no, I think it's hard to follow.
Yeah. That sounds about right. Okay, we have a red candlestick coming in. This is actually a very important red candlestick. If it breaks under this little support here, then it will probably start, propelling its way to the downside. So we're going to definitely want to take note of that. Ah, I just got hit in the game. That's all. Let's see, what's it doing? All right, it's trying to build a little support. We're gonna have to see, but I'm more so expecting a break to the downside. Honestly, I think it just kind of makes more sense. We're almost getting into like a little short squeeze type of situation. I guess it wouldn't be a short squeeze. It would just be a squeeze. I mean, if you're a stock market person, you probably got that joke. It wasn't that funny, but it was a joke though. It was a good joke. It was pretty straight though. You feel me, chat? I need to stop. Y'all don't need to let me get no viewers up in here, cause I'm gonna be wildin'. I'm gonna definitely be wildin'. Every 30 seconds you gonna hear me say, "You feel me, chat?" Oh no. I'm gonna be like, spam. What is it, like a Twitch streamer? Spam W's in the chat. Spam W's in the chat. Oh, he's an L. Spam L's in the chat. Spam L's in the chat. Like, bro, I could not get no big following. I would be wildin'. I already know I would be wildin'. I be out here doing the most. Are you having fun on League?
Yeah, Jay.
Okay.
Are you having fun on the stream?
Yeah. We chilling. Most of today's stream's pretty active. I like it. I like it, and I appreciate all y'all who are watching right now and all those who have came in the past, you know what I'm saying? Definitely appreciate it. You said what?
I got a boo-boo.
Yeah, I saw your boo-boo. It was looking like a scrape. It was looking like a scab.
No, it was a big boo-boo, Shay.
It was not big.
Yes, it was.
Then what do you consider a like huge boo-boo? Like what, one where you destroyed the toilet?
Hey.
I wasn't talking about you. I was making a joke. Because you said boo-boo as in like an injury. But boo-boo could also mean, you know, a poop in the toilet.
Oh,
Ah! I miss y'all, chat. I miss chat. You know what I'm saying? I feel whole again. You know what I'm saying? I feel productive again. Like, I'll never leave y'all like that again. I promise. Okay, I don't promise like that because I know I'm very unpredictable. So I could end up going on a two-week hiatus. I'm just kidding. I'm not doing that. But yeah, we out here. We in here. We in here and we out here. We outside and we inside. You feel me, chat? Like a kickback. We outside but we inside like a kickback. Ooh. Bro, we should get something. Oh, hold on. Oh. Bro, the game is tearing me up right now because I'm not focusing. But yeah, chat, we got to get something going though where I throw a beat down and you know what I'm saying? I just let some of y'all get on stream. You know what I'm saying? We hit some freestyles while the market's moving. That would be fun. Yeah, guys, this is going down. Let's look at it on like the 30. Yeah, it looks like it's definitely consolidated and it's trying to dip down. Yeah, that's definitely what that looks like to me. Yeah, no question about that. It found that as a support for sure. It found that as a support.
I was still a child.
Bruh, that song was so in my head. I was literally thinking about it right now, like while you said that.
That's because I read your mind.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, okay. Alright, yeah, this thing is definitely having a dip down. It's having a hard time breaking that resistance. But should it break it though, the next one is here. Which is big, juicy Jordan profit zone, you know? Big and juicy profits for the boy. You feel me, chat? There's not even any pattern I can see that really can justify like what would be happening right now. Like, I mean, maybe this, you could say it's possibly like some type of extremely long, drawn out triangular pattern, but I mean, that seems a bit far fetched, honestly. It seems a bit far fetched. Break this. What is S&P 500 dealing with something like this? Ah. I think I want to hold. I think I definitely want to hold just because the way S&P 500 looks. One little piece of momentum or anything breaks through this and boom, we are out of here. Is this a significant zone like price action wise? 7155. I mean, not really. It's not like 716 or like 72 or like, you know what I'm saying, 71 something real notable. So that I would say that shouldn't really be like focused on like that. I also have a question too about the daily. Like, I wonder, like, do I think this is eventually gonna go down for sure? But I also feel like it may want to like hit a little bounce off the EMA or something like that before it, you know what I'm saying, a little bit more upwards momentum before it really makes that decision. Looks like we might have got to pop up. Yeah, I mean that doesn't really mean too much until we need some more momentum. Give me more momentum. Give me more momentum now. But I'm trying to sing some of those classic church music. Like, the classics, though. Like, you feel me? Like, the real classic church music. Shout out Friendship Baptist Church. You know what I'm saying? Really a goat of a church, if you ask me. And I've had some friends that, like, really didn't, like their churches and things like that. But like I've always like really like not only like enjoyed the church that I grew up going to, but very much appreciated, you know what I'm saying, like kind of what they did for my life. So shout out Friendship Baptist Church. And you know what I'm saying, be blessed in whatever religion you are. We're not pushing any certain religions, you know what I'm saying? You know, if you're Buddhist, Hindu, what are other religions? You know, Catholic. You know what I'm saying? Shaoism, Taoism. You know what I'm saying? It's all encouraged. You know what I'm saying? Or if you're atheist, you know what I'm saying? We're not hating. We don't do any hate over you. You know what I'm saying? Really, to me, like religion is whatever motivates you to be the best human being that you can be and the most pagan. Bruh's funny. Bruh really said pagan. But yeah, hey. Whatever motivates you to be. Wait, hold on. I need to look a little bit deeper. Pagan religion beliefs. There we go. This is interesting. This is when it gets juicy. Cool. Okay. I'm liking it right now. Small white can. Okay. Ethical reasons. Organic farming. Okay. So vegans, or just, organic. No fast days. Watching. Okay. No opportunity. Okay. Reincarnation. Okay. Viewing death as a transition. Okay. Regarding. Oh, wow. This is big. Pagan women wish to make their own informed decisions regarding prenatal and neonatal care. That's interesting for a religion, Planned pregnancies and use consciousness. Okay, you know what I'm saying. I'm all for the power of choice. So, hey, I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. That whole dynamic is kind of a weird dynamic to me. Because it's like the US, in my opinion, it's like a contradiction. It's like, we're all like, yeah, freedom of choice. Like, my body, what is it? My body, my choice. But then, like, the dude can't be like, well, you know what I'm saying? My wallet, my choice. But then the government can just go and, like, take his money for having the kid. So it just kind of seems a little backwards. It's like, okay. It just seems weird. It just seems like a kind of flawed system to me. Because it's like, when it's my body, my choice, it's like, okay, your body, I guess, is 100% your body. But when your choice comes into fruition in the form of a human being, then all of a sudden, after your choice, your 100% choice with your 100% body, then all of a sudden is 50-50. And you need something from somebody else. I don't agree with that. It doesn't make sense to me. Do I think like there shouldn't be deadbeat dads? Obviously. And if you have a child, you should be supporting it. Obviously. But I'm just saying, you know, in regards to my body, my choice. Because I'm sure if you ask a bunch of like dudes, they will probably be like, well, if it was my choice, like I can't afford this child, and it wouldn't have a good family because me and the girl aren't together. You know what I'm saying? So it's kind of, you know, it's a double-edged sword, I guess. But I am all for, don't get me twisted though, I am definitely all for my body, my choice. I don't think anybody should like tell you, you know what I'm saying? Like, but I do think that the father's, you know, decision should definitely be held to a higher standard than it is right now. I think now it's just kind of like a, okay, if he says yes, okay, if he says no, like no one really cares. It's like a whatever. It's like a whatever. You know what I'm saying? But I think we should learn to respect that a little bit more. But really said pagan. But shout out to the creator though, because you know, I may actually look a little bit deeper into it now. But you know, I've never really thought about like pagan society, like honestly. I've never thought about it. I've never heard of anybody that was pagan. You know, you just kind of, it's like one of those things that you just kind of hear, and I don't know, you just kind of think about like old times or something. Like when I think of pagan, like I don't really even be knowing what it means. I just think, I don't know. I feel like there's a negative stigma with it, but or something. Correct me if I'm wrong, chat. Like it's a rabbit hole, my man. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't know. I'm gonna definitely like do some reading though. I'm one of those people, you see anything like you gotta Google it or like Google it real quick. So I definitely, you know, want to check into that. One thing I definitely want to do before I die is I've always said that I want to read I am Baptist, like just so you guys know, I am Baptist. But I do want to read every religious text. Because to me, religion is nothing but, you know what I'm saying, grabbing. There's a lot of bad stuff in religion, just as there's good stuff. Like what is it in Christian society? It's like I think something is like you're not supposed to eat a certain type of fish or something. I be seeing everybody eat that fish. Like everybody be smashing that down. And don't even get me started on the sexual nature of the Bible, because everybody and they mama be ignoring that somehow. But you know what I'm saying? But then they want to get mad. But all I'm saying is, you know what I'm saying, I think that, you know, pretty much most religions have something good to offer, and they may have something a little bad or a little abnormal to offer. And I think the best thing that you can do is like go around to all the religions, read all of the religious texts, and grab all the good out of them. You know what I'm saying? Just grab all the good of them. You know what I'm saying? Be the best person you can be from that. And then, you know, go about your life. You know what I'm saying? And then when you die, you can at least say, you know what I'm saying, I was an asset to society. Because isn't that really all life is about? We only really got one here. I would assume you should be trying to do your debt to society. That's why I'm on YouTube right now, trying to show y'all what like trading is really like, instead of that fugazi lying, like, you know what I'm saying? You said Illuminati's got some good points too. I mean, honestly, I could see it to a degree. I could see it. It's just like, okay, here's one thing too, though. Your methods can't. Oh, shout out 3DP too, by the way, bruh. I didn't realize like that was you who said that. But yeah, hey, one of the regulars in the chat, you feel me? Shout out 3DP. But like I was saying, like it also depends too, like the extremes you take. Okay, like we can't be doing no like I'm not saying the Illuminati does this, but I'm just saying, like, even if you have the right idea, like, we ain't about to be out here doing no blood sacrifice or nothing like that. Like, we ain't about to be out here eating babies or something. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, some crazy stuff, chat. You feel me, chat? You feel me, chat? Like, come on. You know what I mean? Like, you can have the right idea and do it in the wrong way. You feel me, chat? Yeah. Like, a lot of people have done some really crazy things with the right idea, but it was just so crazy that it was just wrong. You know what I'm saying? That's really, like, really the debate with, you know what I'm saying, with, like, childbearing or whatever. It's like, well, sheesh, like, if I'm not going to be able to actively, you know, make this child into a, you know, good member of society, like, should I have the kid? Like, am I worse for, like, you know, offing the kid? Or, like, you know what I'm saying? Or am I, like, messing up society by having this kid? We ain't on no yay vibe. I feel you, bruh. But y'all feel what I'm saying, though? It's like, it's a struggle. It's like, so should I produce, like, a King Von out here that's literally terrorizing society? Or is it wrong for me to, like, end the life before society gets terrorized? It's like, I guess it just depends on your moral code. Like, do you want to give everyone the chance? You know what I'm saying? I don't know, like, how trusting are you? But yeah, I don't know too much about the Illuminati either. This is the first time I've thought of them as like a religion. But I mean, I feel it. I mean, I could say religion slash political, you know? I don't know what you would really consider them. But yeah, I definitely believe the Illuminati is a thing. Like, bruh, I definitely believe that. Because, I mean, the Illuminati is a thing. It's just really, like, the music and pop culture industry, like, and all the weird little things they do and all the ways they make us feel so they can push more products. Correct me if I'm wrong, chat. Correct me if I'm wrong, chat. You feel me? Y'all should have a drinking game for every time I say, chat, you feel me, or I start singing. I bet you'll be drunk. Bruh, if Illuminati gave me inside stock info, I'm down too. What? Bruh, Illuminati hooked me up, you know what I'm saying? I'd be the most untalented person. I'd be up there singing the Star Spangled Banner. Like, wait, how does it even go? You know what I'm saying? Da, 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 da. You feel me, chat? Like, bruh, sign me up. If I'm about to get some paper, you know NGB the gang, we all about this paper. I could be the worst singer in the world. You best believe I would go up on that stage. If there's enough money, I'd be like, go easy on me, baby. I was still a child. Ooh, y'all hear that? Didn't get the chance to. Chat. Go ahead. I was killing it, chat. He said Illuminati got stocks? Bruh, you already know the Illuminati. Bruh. Apparently the Illuminati would be, you know, anybody high up in government, anybody high up in pop culture, or anybody high up in just, you know, the world. So they would definitely have insider information. That should be expected. Like, if some company is about to, let's say, put out a new product or something, like, who do you think is gonna know first? The people putting it out, and that's pretty much what the Illuminati is. It's the most powerful people. So yeah, the Illuminati definitely got the stocks. You know, you feel me, the creator. Shout out my boy 3DP too, bro. I missed you, bro. I missed you, dog. You feel me? How you doing, Drea? Sorry, you're probably like, oh my god, this dude is so loud.
It's okay.
Okay. What you doing?
I'm looking for a show for us.
Okay. You keep at that.
Okay.
Perfect. I had good intentions. You took a fat L with Roblox and After Hours. Like calls. Okay, okay. Hey, 50-50 days are good in my opinion, bro. I mean, they're not like the best, obviously, but really, the way I see it is, if you're not losing money in the stock market, you're making money in the stock market. So, as long as you're not losing money in the stock market, you're gonna be good. Like, let's say you make $1 a day. Like, it sounds weak. It's like, okay, it's $1 a day, but you know, if you're compounding interest, reinvesting that $1 a day, I'm pretty sure that $1 a day would be a pretty good bit of money. So, good day, my guy. We need to see. The gurus teach you it's all about, because they have all these clickbait YouTube titles that say like, oh, you know what I'm saying, 30K, 20K in a day or something, like some crazy stuff like that or something. So they make us kind of think like, you know, winning days, or, you know what I'm saying, up 1,000. Bro, what are you doing? Bro, you already know I was about to get you 3DP. Why are you up 1,000%, bro? $1,000? Please tell me you mean down 200 and up $200 and up $1,000. All right, man. Hey, as long as your risk is managed, my guy. Yep, gotta dip out early, y'all. I wonder. It's hard to tell what this is gonna do. I mean, I feel like it's gonna go down, but it's whatever. It's hard to tell. Yeah, bruh said 1,000%, bruh. You doing some type of crazy trading? Like, are you doing like, are those options? Like, what are those? Are those, yeah, like, what are you trading? Like, $200 and up 1,000%. Jesus. Oh my gosh. Bro, just make sure you're managing your risk, bro. Every time I hear somebody say something like I'm up 1,000%, I'm like, this ain't gonna last long. You know what I'm saying? Or you gotta be like, even like that, what you call it? He's moved to Las Vegas now. The main dude in Wall Street Bets, Dogecoin, that made like a few $1,000,000 or something. Now he's at like 600K, and it's just like, bro, come on. I did for $9. $2. Okay. So, I mean, yeah, so you're one of those, so you do like the options trades where you like barely risk anything and you kind of just hope that it like spirals into something crazy. Is that what I'm hearing? SPCE calls. You did for $9. 200 profit. Got you. Sheesh. That's good profit though. Bruh, I need you to have some longevity with that, and then when you're like a freaking multimillionaire or something like that, bruh, you know what I'm saying? Just fly your boy out, bruh. Show me the good life. You feel me, chat? You feel me, chat? You know what I'm saying? Because, bruh, 1,000% returns will not last very long. Opening up to customers. Oh, why you say it like that though? I just knew they were opening up to customers. Is there something you gotta tell us? Is this why somebody was talking about insider trading? Oh, I just knew they were opening up. Oh, bro, you sound dumb confident, my boy. Like, I'm on you, boy. I'm just playing. I'm playing. Dang, the stock went up 32%. Shit. Y'all listen to this. You sound like Mario. You sound like Mario, girl. Yeah. I'll tell you what I want to tell you, and you sound like Mario. She said, "Ha ha, Virgin Space Flights was opening up to public flights. Oh, okay, got you. Dang, Virgin just now jumping into public flights right now. And somebody outside talking dumb loud, bro. I'm like, oh, it's 12. Run. Run. That's how I feel like every time I hear like human voices outside of the door. I'm like, run. But yeah, bro, good move, bro. Real good move, though. Honestly, good trade. It sounds like you really did the fundamental analysis and everything. You got in. Looks like you didn't use that much risk because you had used $9 and you came out with like 200 or something, bro. Honestly, claps out to my boy 3DP. Public space flights. Oh, dang, that's cool. Oh yeah, I see what you're saying now, bro. I wonder how much they cost. Like, what is the cost? Like, what? Like, probably what? Like 100K? Like to go to space? 50K? Like, I wonder, like, how much does it cost to go to space? Like, now that it's public, like, it's got to be at least like. Oh, I was way off. 450K. So they not talking the outskirts of space. They talking space. Like, oh wow. Bro, that's actually like unfortunately, well not unfortunately. I mean, it's good that people have money. I'm not one of those people. But yeah, I mean, that means a lot of people are actually going to be able to just go to space. A lot of people like Slick have $450,000. Like, obviously not a lot if you think about the whole world, but like there are a bunch of people that can afford that. Oh, my boy Worm Squirm, what up, Squirm? What up? What up? Well, you got a SQQQ at 42? I'm gonna have to peep that, bro. I'm gonna peep that. Give me 2 seconds, bro. Worm Squirm, you're a legend, bro. You're a legend, bro. He said, no way I'm going to space. Oh, bro. I would be up there, bro. I'm actually, like, I don't really like roller coasters like that. Like, they make me feel kind of awkward. I had a fear, but I got over it. So now I can do it. But, like, it's not like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't go out of my way to do it. You know what I'm saying? JMC too, bro. I see you. Bro, why y'all peeping now? Y'all coming in the chat now after a bunch of people just left. All the, you know what I'm saying? All my boys from back in the day hopping in the chat now. You know what I'm saying? So let's look at this SQQ. Do I still have it on chart? You said you got out at 42? You was what, like long in it or something? 42. So you got out at 42. I'm assuming went down today, yeah. So I guess you were long in it, huh? I forgot, bruh. I don't remember, like. But dang, that's a good eat, bruh. And it sounds like 3DP was in, what was you in? SPCE. Oh, I heard of this company. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, bro. I can see why you made 1,000%. That's a fat candlestick. that, sir, is a fat candlestick. That booty is fat. Girl, you better put it away. Oh, Worm Squirm's going hard. You're going in before earnings, bruh. You got some iron nuts, huh? You going long or short, bro? Nvidia should, I mean, it's a tech company, right? Semiconductor. It should beat earnings, I would assume. Well, I don't know. But I know a lot of the tech companies have been beating earnings. Oh, why am I on the 5-minute? Like, the fuck? I mean, just from a fundamental a technical standpoint, longs in this look kind of good, honestly. Long? Okay, nice. I like it. I like it. I don't know, maybe like, I don't know. I would maybe wait till earnings. I don't know. I don't really play earnings plays, so I wouldn't really tell you how to play earnings plays. VYN for my information? Like I should check it? Or is that just, I can't tell if that's like a, is that like, Bro, you came in like spam. I can't tell like came in like spam. I don't know. I'm still checking. I'm still checking. Okay, there's not even on spam. Get him out of here. Get him out of here. Oh, I'm dead. Yeah, that's what I was saying. 3DP. I think Nvidia should definitely be straight for earnings. Bro, why can't this thing just break to the upside and stop being weak? Like, just shake what your mama gave you and, you know what I'm saying, run it up, run it up. Looking for a 2% drop on NASDAQ tomorrow for an easy entry? You'll probably get it, bro, to be honest. I mean, if it's just 2%, I'm trying to think NASDAQ. Like how much is 2% in NASDAQ? I mean, I could see a 2% drop. I mean, NASDAQ's so much though. Maybe not 2%, but a little drop before you get your entry or something. Yeah, I could see that. I could definitely see that. As long as nothing crazy goes on during the night. That's what I'm wondering, like, with this. Like, I'm definitely at least gonna just set stop to, like, break even or something. I hope it's trying to come down. I had no time to do what I chose to do. Y'all know that song? So go easy on me. And then she come in like this. She be like, I had good intentions. I'm done. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry, chat. I'm sorry, chat. But I had to do it. I had to do it. She be going in, though. Isn't Adele, like, getting married or something? I feel like she's getting married. One of y'all take Adele out for Valentine's Day? Oh, no. Oh, no. No, chat. Actually, I'll be right back, chat. Woohoo! Oil's doing bad today. It's good for gas prices. What is oil at right now per barrel? Actually, I'm gonna look. Holy. Oil is $92 a barrel right now? or at least WTI is 92. Bro, I remember when I used to trade oil and gas ETFs, UGAS and DGAS, like, bro, like that it was at like $35, like maybe 40. Like I think when it went to 50, like everybody was like, you know what I'm saying? Like big panic mode. That's crazy. Oh, wow. Okay, so we have a lot of negative momentum right now. We're gonna have to see what happens with that. A lot of negative momentum. I'm definitely gonna cut that loss quick though if it gets out of hand. Just because like this has been a tough, like, you know, last week was really tough on the account. It was at like 40 start of the year. Oh my gosh. It's insane. I know gas prices are high, but dang. Going long, shorting / going long in the Nasdaq, my fundamental, all right, going good. Yeah, it's every kind of extreme, but yeah, exactly. No, that's not extreme, bro. That is how you should be trading. Just, I would say, just do that. Do exactly what you're doing, Worm Squirm, and also have like a long term account that you just have like long in like index funds, basically following Nasdaq and S&P that you hold on to for like 40 years. But other than that, yeah, that's a great account idea. You know, that's pretty much like that's kind of, you know, that's kind of like in shorter words, I guess. That's kind of what I do with my normal stock account, my blue chip account, I guess you could say. But yeah, I like it. I don't think that's extreme at all, bro. Honestly. Compound interest in deviant. Yeah, okay. Okay. I feel that. It's not a bad play. Not a bad plan, bro. Not a bad plan at all. It's not a bad plan. I like it. Dang, so the candlestick actually closed. But we didn't break resistance. So we're just going to have to see how this green candlestick closes. But I could see a little pop to the downside. I need to decide if I'm going to sleep on this or if I'm just going to set stop like right here or something. But I know if I set stop right there, it's going to get popped during the night. That's okay. I'm not trying to lose any more money in this account. I need to just make sure I'm positive getting good returns. Good weekly and monthly returns, and then I'll be alright. I hear something crazy going on outside. It's like outsider is upstairs. What up, girl?
Hey!
What you on? What was you on?
I was talking to my mother because my knee is still bleeding.
What, you thought she was gonna fix your knee or something? Never got a bruise before? You never fell outside at the playground before?
It's a deep cut.
Is it really?
Yes.
So you're like genuinely concerned.
That's why it's still bleeding. It's been hours.
But have you been holding pressure on it? I don't think you have at all. I haven't seen you hold any pressure on the wound. Yeah, you're looking at me because you know you haven't. Like, and you wondering why you bleeding out. Huh? Okay.
Are you still on stream?
I am still on stream.
Hey everybody, I'm back. Can I tell people how I felt?
If one person in the chat says they want to hear the story of how you fell, then yeah. Until I see that message come through, absolutely not. So if y'all want to hear Andrea's story about how she fell, say you do. You don't have to. And why do you think people want to hear about you falling? Like, what is the story of everyone falling? Like, I thought I was good, and then I realized I wasn't good. Facts. I miss y'all, chat. I really do. And where's the roasts? Like, guys, you're supposed to be roasting me. Like, I've lost a good bit of money in this account. Like, where are the roasts? Like, I need at least one person to roast me. Like, somebody in the chat, just roast. Just roast me real quick. And then let it be the last time. You feel me? But I definitely deserve something for what I did last week. It was very out of character. Did you find the show?
Yeah.
Are you Cap? What show?
It's called In From the Cold.
What's it about?
I'll tell you in a second.
Alright, chat. I'm about to go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. You feel me, chat?
Yeah.
Okay. And don't you go thinking you just gonna have story time with the chat while I'm gone.
Okay, everybody. So basically, I was walking home from class, and there was ice, like black ice. And I was checking my phone to see if Jordan texted me back, and then I slipped and landed on my knee, and now I have a big gash on my knee that hasn't stopped bleeding for like 5 hours. And that's basically what happened.
I heard you talking to the chat. The DJ from 8 Mile? I bet I can rap better than him. I bet y'all didn't know I could low-key freestyle, y'all. If I can't get up on here freestyle, I'll start saying all types of crazy stuff. I'll start talking about mamas and stuff. I'm not trying to do that. You already know I love my mama. Yo. Bruh, Worm Squirm. You gotta tell me, how did you get that name, bro? Like, how did you get the name Worm Squirm? Like, what compelled you to wake up and be like, yeah, like this is what my YouTube name is gonna be, is Worm Squirm Sir. Like, I'm genuinely interested. You know, I mean, don't get me wrong, my name is not very like creative. It's not. But I have more creative names. Like on League, I'm like two-piece nugget, you know, like two-piece chicken nugget. On RuneScape, I'm like I'm little juice box, you know what I'm saying? We've got little juice pouch out here. I've also got That Mango Nation on PlayStation N with 2 A's. So, I've got some interesting names. So I get it. I just, I can't, I don't know the thought process, You have to walk me through it. What is this trying to do? It's still holding. But,
Jay,
yeah.
will you text me your address?
What, for Josie?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you see Darian and his girl got the pup?
Yes, it's super cute.
I told you it was dumb cute. Like, it's so cute.
No?
It's so cute.
It's a German Shepherd, no?
Yeah, it is. They got it like way quicker. Like, I guess they said like 3 days, but like, I mean, I guess they're only 1 day off. But it's so fly. I want one.
Let's get.
You need to stop. People's opinion of you is not your business nor your reality. Keep effing being you. Okay, well, I mean, yeah, you shouldn't really consider what people say too much, but I mean, any sane human being should consider what people say to a degree. Like, I feel like it's kind of dumb to not. It's like, I'm gonna be a murderer and no one's gonna tell me that I'm wrong. Like, from camp, he said, got it from camping on. Oh, like Worm Squirm. And I thought it would fit because there was another Call of Duty camping YouTuber called Blackworm, and that used to be so fun. I feel that, man. Okay, I like it. Bro, I just got my PlayStation back working, so I just been running up a few games of Call of Duty, like, just for fun real quick. Bro, you already know the Modern Warfare days. Oh, man, the Modern Warfare 2 days. All the real Call of Duty players know about them days. Those were the best days. Those are like the Black Ops days. Really, the Modern Warfare 2 days were better, but Black Ops was a close second. But yeah, man, those were the days. So, okay, I kind of get it now. Like, Worm Squirm. I get it now. Your name doesn't sound crazy to me now. Like, now it just sounds like a name. Cool. I'm actually, like, learning more about you guys. That's real cool. But yeah, I think I'm gonna call this a stream though. I think I'm gonna call this a day. Then I moved from video games to stocks more than a year ago. Oh, I feel you. Well, hey, bro, if you ever decide to, like, what I'm saying, like, make a channel or do anything like that, you already know you'll always, like, have my support. You know what I'm saying? That kind of thing. Like, I'll always shout you out. All that good stuff. But yeah, I think I'm gonna call it here. Shout out to everybody who really, like, tuned into the chat. I can see we got like 5 people in here. Hold on. Let me finish this inventory real quick. But yeah, I really get the name. I take money any day over the current COD. Yeah, I definitely feel that, my guy. It's like we still can't see what's happening with this stock. We still can't. I'm going to finish this RuneScape inventory and then I'm going to call it a day. You already know I'm going to be back online tomorrow. Actually, I'm really more getting into like the 6:30 to 7, like 7, I'm starting to like to stream a little bit later. Like, and I feel like people like that too, it seems like. So, like, sometimes I'll be hopping on at 7, maybe even 7:30. But it really just depends on the day. I do need a set time. Yeah, I definitely know that. I definitely need a set time. But, you know, it is what it is.
Your apartment 912, right?
913.
Two.
Me?
Yeah.
No, it's 913. What are you talking about?
Are you sure?
Nope. No, I am sure though.
Okay.
You can just wait. I'm gonna give it to you in like a little bit.
I got it off Google.
What? Okay. But yeah, it's 913. Like what is it? With Olivia Pope? MS-13 or something? You know, they be going crazy. They be going crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna call it here though. Everybody, thanks for everybody tuning in. This has been a great stream. We had a lot of people coming in and out. I love the old people that have came in. Shout out 3DP. You know what I'm saying? Of course, shout out Worm Squirm. You already know what I'm saying. Shout out JMC. He doesn't talk too much. Shout out the creator. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Louise. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Jansen. Shout out Mechanical. You know what I'm saying? Shout out all these people. Shout out everybody. You know what I'm saying? What's happening, chat? But you already know what I'm saying. We're going to be back on tomorrow. Just chilling, trading some stocks, trying to see how far we can take this account. And, you know, hopefully we can take it far. You know, I've been slacking a little bit lately. I apologize for that. I'm going to do better. New videos are going to be coming out, all that stuff. And I'm going to be just in general focusing a lot more on this account. I kind of got back to the point where I was like playing with it as a fun account, but I want to really make sure it grows. So the YouTube, so we can really start, you know what I'm saying, seeing some big gains and some big, not big losses, but big losses just kind of come with the game. You feel me? So you guys all have a great day. Be blessed. And you know what I'm saying? Make sure you use the stop loss.